Hey guys, have you ever felt the lack of motivation to complete a task? I'm sure you do many times. Have you also come across situations where you perform way better than you thought? Because if you don't, you might lose something important. For example, completing an assignment at the last moment so you don't get fired. This is called fear motivation. Fear is the most powerful motivator if used effectively. But using fear for motivation it is not possible for every task. For example, learning a new skill. When you are learning a new skill, you don't have a deadline. Since you don't have a deadline, you have no fear of completing the task, hence, no motivation. To overcome situations like this, I came up with this app called Go Fucking Do It. You can visit this URL, which I will provide in the description, to use the app. Basically, this app lets you create a promise which you make to yourself that I'm ready to stake XYZ amount of cryptocurrency, which is real money, and you promise yourself that you will complete a task in a specified amount of days. You also provide your friend's wallet address. Your friend here acts as a verifier. She will verify whether you completed your task within the deadline or not. So let me give you a walkthrough of this application. When you visit this URL, if you don't have MetaMask installed, this is an extension, Chrome extension, MetaMask wallet. If you don't have this, you will see a pop-up saying that you need to install this extension, and you will also have two buttons. Uh, Based on which browser you're using, you can click on the button. There will be two buttons, one for Chrome, one for Firefox. When you click on those buttons, you will be redirected to the installation page. There is more than just installing an extension in this uh, MetaMask wallet. So I recommend you going to YouTube and just searching install MetaMask on whichever browser you are using, Chrome or Firefox. Okay, once you installed MetaMask extension, you have to connect to Matic network. But when you install this extension, by default there will be only 5 networks. The first 5 you have to manually configure this network. Okay, when you install this extension, you will mostly be on the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so let me switch to Ethereum mainnet. When you switch to Ethereum mainnet and you visit this application, you will see this pop-up which is incorrect chain selected, please connect to the Matic network. You click on this button, add Matic mainnet. When you click on this button, there will be a pop-up. Now the pop-up will be different for you, because if you don't have the Matic network in your MetaMask wallet, it will show you the configuration of the network, that this is the Matic network configuration, would you like to add this network? Then you can just click yes or add network, whatever the button is. In my case, I already have the network, so it is just prompting me to switch to that network. So I'm just going to switch to that network right now. Once I switch to that network, I will see the connect button. That pop-up will disappear. You will also see that here it is written as mainnet. When you are on the mainnet, you are using your real money. Okay, you can click on connect button now. Another pop-up. This pop-up is asking you which accounts you want to connect to this app. I'm gonna connect this account, which will create the promise, and this account which will act as a friend for demonstration purpose. Okay, and I'm gonna click next. Connect to accounts. Connect. So currently am on this account. That's why this icon. If you see your address, which means you are connected. Now you can see my balance. I have 0.39 Matic. Let's say I will stake 0.1 Matic, and I promise myself that I will learn Chakra UI, which is a front-end library, in 5 days. Okay, and now I'm gonna provide my friend's wallet address. As I said, for demonstration purpose, I'm using a secondary wallet as the friend's wallet address. In your case, you will provide your actual friend's wallet address. Okay, request your friends to provide you with their wallet address. You can just click here to copy the address. You double check your friend's wallet address, because only that address will be able to refund you back your money. Okay, you will also see that there is a 1% fee for using this app. Okay, you click on promise, and then you will see a pop-up. Okay, I'm connected with the wrong account. I will just reject. Okay, and I'm just gonna switch. Okay, now the correct account is selected. I'm just gonna click on promise. Okay, and then I can click on confirm. If you see any red dialog box, then you shouldn't confirm, because then you are definitely making a mistake somewhere. So I'm just gonna click, because there is no red dialog box. There will be a red box here if you are making any mistake. I will click on confirm. I can view the transaction on the blockchain. I will click here. The transaction is being mined, so you can just refresh multiple times. You see transaction was a success. You will also see this notification from MetaMask. 0.1 Matic was used. Now if I go to my promise page, I will see that I will learn Chakra UI. This is one of the promise I have made to myself, and the deadline is June 10, which is 5 days from now. Also the time. Okay, so you have to do it before this time, on that date. Okay, now you can get to work. Now you can go and do your task. Okay, now how does the verification process work? So basically what will happen is your friend will come to this website, right? It will look like this for him, her. Okay, let me switch to the friend account. Basically she will go to promises page, and she will see the promise on the right hand side, which is promises to verify, task to be verified by you. Okay, basically your friend. So your friend will basically verify whether you have done the task. Whenever you are done with your task, you go to your friend, tell him, you do a video call, anything you can do. Right now you should do a video call, show him that you have done the task. Okay, you can give an assessment, etc., etc., based on whatever task you have done. Then once your friend is happy and he thinks that you have actually fulfilled your promise, okay, he will click on fulfill. Okay, before fulfilling, let me show you my balance, so that I'll just reject this one. I'll switch to the, you can see 0.29 Matic. Before I had 0.39. Okay, so I'm just gonna switch. You can see fulfill button. This is your friend's account. Okay, so your friend will basically verify your promise. Your friend will click on confirm now, and this is your friend's transaction. You can refresh it. Okay, so the transaction is successful. Now you can see a fulfilled promise. Your friend does not have to pay any money. She just pays the gas fee, which is the transaction fee. Okay, you can see the gas fee is very low. Now all of the promises have been verified, so there are no promises here to show. When you switch to your account, you can see the balance is incremented to 0.39. okay, and also there are no promises to fulfill for you. Okay, so this is how this app works. Now what happens if you miss the deadline? If you miss the deadline, then I will show you the owner of the app. This account is the owner of the app. Okay, so basically when you miss the deadline, either your friend can fulfill the promise. So let's say you were able to complete a task that you promised yourself, but you missed the deadline. Okay, you still go to your friend. Even if you don't, there are two situations: either you go to your friend or you don't go to your friend, right? Let me explain both the situations. If you go to your friend and tell him that, okay, I've done my task, you can verify it. So basically your friend will come to this app promises, and there still will be promise to fulfill, right? depending on how late you are. There might be or there might not be. Okay, if there is, he can click on the fulfill button and do the procedure as I just explained. But when the fulfill transaction completes, you won't get your funds back. Yes, this balance is not going to get incremented. uh, what's going to happen is the amount you staked will go to the owner account. This is the owner of the application. Basically, this is you can think of this as my wallet. Okay, so this wallet will receive the funds that you staked. In our example, 0.1 matic. Okay, so if you miss the deadline, you lose the funds. Okay, now there is a possibility that the promise is not visible to your friend. If the promise is not visible to your friend, which means I have fulfilled the promise, and I can only fulfill the promise when you have missed the deadline. Okay, for the proof of that, you can click on this contact button. Okay, this will take you to the code of the contract. You can see the code here. You can also see other transactions that are made for on this contract. Okay, you can click on code. When you go to code, you can check the code. Okay, you can see the code. If you know Solidity, you can understand, or you can ask a friend before using someone who uses Solidity to verify whether this whether what I am saying is correct or not, because this code is something that I cannot change. Okay, this smart contract is now on the blockchain live. Okay, and this smart contract code is immutable. Okay, nobody can change this code. Okay, not even the owners of the blockchain cannot change the code of this smart contract. Okay, so whatever is written here is here to stay forever. So I cannot fulfill your promise before you miss the deadline. Why? Because let's say there is a situation where you miss the deadline, but you never tell your friend to verify it, right? So the funds will get stuck in the contract forever in that case, right? So this is why I created a mechanism for exit of that fund, where I can also get the option to fulfill. Okay, and the funds will be received by the owner of the application, which is me. Okay, so I encourage you to come over to this application and use it. There is a 1% fee. Make sure you are using staking only uh, the amount of money which you are willing to lose. Okay, because if you miss the deadline, that funds are gone. Okay, but that is why this is a fear motivation application, right? Because if you provide yourself a deadline and if you stake some funds, okay, let's say you stake 100 matic. 100 matic is approximately $167 right now, so that's a huge amount. So if you stake that much and then you promise yourself, you put in your friend's wallet address, right, and you get to work, and you get a fear motivation to complete the task within the specified deadline, right? So this is how this application works. You can also click on how it works and you can see all of the instructions in written format. You can also check out the GitHub page, which I will also link in the description. There is also dark mode for people who love dark mode. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Cheers.